Right. As I discussed, I'm going to make this particular SQLite program with a better user friendly. In which way? First one is that the selection of DB. Okay. Now, what I told initially, the DB will be created in the same folder in which your Python is running. Okay. This is not something, which I usually, support, because DB file can be stored in any part of my Windows. Correct. In fact, any part of my system. So if it is always works with my current folder, there is a cases where I'm overdrafting my folder. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to introduce one concept that is called as Tkinter. Tkinter. So by default, Tkinter is the library for doing the UI related activity. Okay. It's like, forms creations, frames creations, buttons, checkbox, so on. So exactly what you do with the normal design, HTML file, JavaScript and other stuff, right? CSS. Same thing that you can use Tkinter to create exactly the UI, graphical user interface. So basic understanding of a Tkinter for a common people is that it helps us in creating a graphical user interface, but one and only with Python. So it is very tough creating the entire design with a Tkinter. It is very tough